Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a quick demonstration of using GitHub Copilot with pandas and a CSV. Here's the CSV, and you can see I am connected to Copilot. Make sure that is activated, otherwise this will not work. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is tell the application basically what we want to do, which is open the CSV in the directory as a data frame. So let's see what it tells. Oh, you got to pay attention to the prompts here. No prompt. Okay, so I'm going to read the CSV. And what is it going to tell me next? Print the CSV. I don't need the CSV. I don't need to print it. I just want to, well, I think I need to import the necessary modules. So import pandas as PD. That's okay. What else does it need from me? CSV, okay. Now I'm going to open CSV. That's a data frame, yes. Now it's going to give me, it's going to give me the data frame, PD read CSV, CSV. I'm happy with that. Accept it. And let's do a little sanity check to make sure we're actually opening the correct file. So let's print the headers. No, let's try print the header of the data frame. And Control F5 to do a sanity check. And there's the header. Okay, so let's be more specific. And let's comment out that. And I'm going to say print only, print actually first row, print first row of data frame. Let's see what happens. Okay, and got to be careful with the comment lines. Let's see if that works. Control F5 to run it. And yes, it printed the first 5 lines. Okay, or the first row, which happens to be five columns. Okay, now let's go ahead, and we like that, but let's go back here and take a look at something that we have in our data. Control F5. Okay, so I'm just for giggles, I'm going to go and try and find every instance of the word sleep in all of this data. And I'm going to type show rows that have string containing, not PV, but let's go with sleep. And that's what I want to do. It's been a long day. I hit the, now it's going to give dfloc phrasal verb, which it picked up from here. Oh, shoot. Tab to accept. Okay. And the string contains sleep. All right, that should work. Let's go ahead and run that. Okay, so sleep in, sleep over, 2 rows, 6 columns, and I'm happy with that. So now let's go ahead and try another word here. And we'll say, for example, over. Control F5 to run. And we got a lot more. All right, so I'm happy with that. And now let's go ahead and print this. I want to print this CSV out as a, I want to print this output as a new CSV. So let's go ahead and do that. Export rows that contain, that have, all right, now I'm going to go with over in this case. Let's see what happens. Tab. Flow frizzle verb contains over to a new to CSV PV over CSV. I like that. Enter, Control F5. Here's my new CSV, and there it is. Now it looks like it might have picked up a new comma there. I don't know what that new comma right there is doing. That could be a problem, but you see that it did all of the other overs for me and it printed them out. So yeah, I don't see, oh, and it picked up cover as well. All right, so I'm not sure how. Contains, I'm not sure how to make sure it's only over and not the other instances like cover, lover, etc. But I am very pleased. I wrote, quote unquote, I wrote 20 lines of code, generated, opened a CSV, generated a new CSV, all with the help of Copilot. Thank you for watching and happy computing.